Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Pisces at ang mga bago po nating viewers. Ito po ay para sa November 10, 2023 na reading. Tignan natin kung ano yung mensahe na gusto iparating sa'yo, Pisces, sa araw na ito. We have the Eight of Swords, Justice, and the Four of Pentacles. Bottom niya is the Five of Cups. Okay. So, meron tayong bagay na hindi mo ma-decide or you just couldn't make that sort of decision. Kasi, hinihingan ka ng decision, no? With the Justice card. This is an energy coming from a Libra. Asking for that decision, but you cannot, no? Hindi mo magawa. Kung ano man ito, it could be relationship, or it could be sa work or business, or something to do with money, kasi andito yung Pentacles. You cannot make that decision. And it's very difficult for you kasi I guess you don't know what to expect, no? Yung hindi mo makita, hindi mo pa sure kung ano yung dapat isagot. Do kailangan na, no? It is asking you to make that righteous decision. Kasi if it's something to do with money, then medyo hirap ka gumawa ng desisyon kasi I guess you're holding on to your money tightly. Either kulang yung pera mo or ito lang yung pera mo. That's why medyo you're trying your best to make the best decision para alam mo yung hindi masayang yung pera. Hindi mapunta sa wala. If you're trying to make an investment, of course, medyo pag-iisipan mo muna itong mabuti. No? That's why you're trying to really use your mind, no, to think over and over again before making that decision. Kasi the fact na limited lang yung ating resources, that's why you wanted to make sure na talagang you are doing the right thing, no? Tama yung naisip mo na investment, o tama tong gagawin mong move para sa iyong trabaho, or if it has something to do with the relationship, then it has something to do na pag either you gonna stay or you're not. Are you staying with this relationship or not? Kasi ang result nun is you don't want any regret. Ayaw mo masaktan, ayaw mo magkaroon ng panghihinayang na ikaw yung nagkamali, o ayaw masisi yung sarili mo na ikaw yung nagkamali, na yung decision na ginawa mo ay hindi nararapat. Yun yung iniiwasan mo. Kaya medyo, alam mo yung talagang iniisip mo mabuti kung ano yung dapat na gawin. Kasi matagal mo na itong iniintay. Maybe this opportunity that has come towards you is something na talagang matagal mo nang ini-expect o iniintay na mangyari. And you don't want na maramdaman na parang nalugi ka o malulugi ka. Kung nagkamali ka man, magkakamali ka dito, syempre ayaw mo yung feeling na nalugi ka. Kung something to do with the work naman, ayaw mo naman yung pakiramdam na ikaw ay, alam mo yon, yung aalis din, na magre-resign ka o alsin ka, i-terminate ka. In other words, hindi ka tatagal dun sa company na yon. And if it's something to do with a relationship, you don't want to feel na you're being parang ignored, na hindi ka pinapansin o wala ka lang, sabihin mo, hindi ka binigyan ng proper love and attention. 'Di ba? Kasi sa relationship, importante 'yon, na everything should be balanced, no? Just like this one, the justice card. Everything should be balanced. But if nga, kasi kung yung inaano mo na ayaw mong mangyari ito, you don't want to experience this, yung feeling na you've been abandoned or hindi ka binigyan ng importance, okay? Kasi ang mas gusto mo, of course, is this, to reach that Four of Wands. So, if there's something that you've been waiting for, is this Four of Wands. Yung tipong pang forever to, kasi this is your future. Ang Four of Wands, lagi ko sinasabi, well, some would read this as the 11-11 card, yung pang twin flame card, or this is something to do with starting up your future. Ito yung meron ng magkakaroon ng marriage proposal or bibigyan ka ng something na very solid for you and your person to start planning na ito na yung papunta tayo dito. Okay? Kaya, kung ba, nagiging ano ka lang, very wise about it. You are doing, kung ba, very, ano ba sa Tagalog nito? Nagiging sigurista ka lang. No? You just want to make sure na talagang okay ka, no? Okay yung ano mo, na yung desisyon na gagawin mo para rito, kung ano man sitwasyon mo na hinaharap, Pisces, take it as it resonates, is the right one to do, no? Kung ba you're asking na sana po dalhin niyo ako sa tamang daan. At ang gusto ko po ay maging balanse at tama yung aking gagawin. Yung akin pong dapat na desisyon na gawin. Okay? And I think you will do it because you have learned already your lessons dito, no? Ayaw mo kasi magkaroon ng regrets, and you know how it is na ma-feel na you're being ignored or abandoned. Kaya you are just doing what is best for you. Do what is best for you. Okay, Pisces? Yung iniintay mong desisyon o yung gagawin mong desisyon sa yung hinaharap ngayon, it has to do or very much to do with what is good for you. It should be to your highest good. Okay? Okay, Pisces? I hope na nakatulong ito sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. This is for the November 10, 2023 reading. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.